The timeline view is your window into the activity timeline for all configured objects. It provides a clear and concise overview, allowing users to observe and understand the chronological sequence of events. PWR Timeline provide unparalleled accessibility by strategically positioning them anywhere on your Lightning pages, flows, and community pages. Begin by selecting Timeline Component, then click on the plus icon beside Config. Provide a label, select the page type as Record Page. Select the object and click Save. Click on the box below the record to preview and select the record you want to see for a preview. Click on the plus icon below related objects to set up your timeline. Select the child relationship object from the list, then click on the gear icon to give a custom header. Choose the field source that best represents the information you're looking for. This could be a custom metadata, custom setting, record field, or static value. Next, select the value and save your settings. Similarly, add a subheader for the timeline. Next, select the date field from the list. Now select the status field from list. Now, click on the icon. Choose an icon from the library to represent your timeline and click Apply. In additional fields, pick the ones you want to display on the timeline. You can apply the filter criteria to refine your data. Now click Add to confirm your choices. Repeat these steps iteratively to effortlessly integrate multiple objects into the timeline. Now, click on the timeline icon. Choose an icon from the library to represent your timeline and click Apply. Click on the gear icon in front of Show Age. Check the checkbox and click Save button. Now, click on the gear icon in front of Expand All. Check the checkbox and click Save. Save your overall configuration and preview your changes in the designer's preview section. Let's add the configured timeline on the account record page. Begin by navigating to the app launcher. Search for account and click on it. From the list view, open any record. Next, click on the Setup button located on the page and choose Edit Page from the drop-down menu. Now, locate the PWR Timeline component and drag it to the desired location on the page. On the right side of the page, select the appropriate configuration name from the list, and then save the configuration. After saving, click the Back button to navigate back to the account page. You should now see the timeline displayed on the page.